G'day, I'm Grant from Aircon Solutions, and we're all about providing a temperature control solution through zoning. Today we're going to go through and talk you through the family of Advantage Air zone motors. They're different colours and they have different voltages. We'll start with the ADM. This is a 240 volt zone motor. Now, any changes with this zone motor, you require a licensed electrician to do that because it is 240 volts. Now this is a drive open, drive closed zone motor, and is very simple application, normally on a switch that I ask the zone motor open or closed. The wiring is 3 wires, a blue which is the common, the black which is drive open, and then brown to drive closed. Again, a warning, 240 volts, and requires a licensed electrician to change. The next is the yellow, the EV. Same as the other black zone motor. This is a drive open, drive closed. Normally comes with its either pre-loomed or nowadays they have a plug in the back of them for a RJ12 connection. This pre-loomed cable again is the same color coding. This is only a 24 volt zone motor though, so you can change these if you choose to. I always recommend that using a trained technician is the best advice. But again, blue is common, black is drive open, brown is drive closed. The next is the red zone motor. This is the single VAV zone motor. This zone motor has a logic board in it which is able to control the zone damper position based upon the set point that you're trying to achieve in the room. The thermostat in the room that's set the set point on, the system has a sensor that reads the duct temperature and opens and closes the zone proportionally to what's required to achieve that set point for that room. This is called the ADM24S red zone motor. The next is the green zone motor. This is called the ADM24 Green P. And now this is used on the Control Air and Control Air Platinum systems and is a very versatile motor, but is only able to be used on the Control Air or Control Air Platinum. Does not work with any other system. The next and last is the grey zone motor. And this is the most commonly used zone motor across all the Advantage Air products. It is called the Clip 24. It is used from a single zone through to a zone station, to a Gen 3 system, Intelligent Life, and now these days the MyAir series and eZone systems. Grey zone motor, again, drive open, drive closed. It comes with an RJ12 connection. The Clip 24, again, very versatile and very widely used. Thank you for watching. We invite you to follow us and also check out our online stores.